Hello everyone. In the theoretical lesson, I explained what an IDE is, why you need it, and what Visual Studio is. After that, I showed how to install Visual Studio 2022, even though at the time of recording this video, the 2026 version is already available. The differences are minimal, so you can still use the theoretical lesson. Let's move on to the tasks. Task 1. Read online about what an IDE is. I found an article on Wikipedia. You can also Google it and read that article, or search for what is an IDE and read on other websites. My opinion alone may not be enough for you. Task 2. Read online about what Visual Studio is. You can use the official Visual Studio website for this. So you can simply type Visual Studio into a search engine, open the official website, and read about it there. Alternatively, you can find other sources, such as a Wikipedia article. Task 3. Install Visual Studio on your computer using the module for developing programs in C++. Instructions are in my theoretical lesson. So if you have already watched my theoretical lesson and followed along, you most likely already have the program installed, which means you've completed this task. If not, you can install Visual Studio now using my instructions from the theoretical lesson. Task 4. Launch Visual Studio for the first time, create a Microsoft account, and sign in to the program. This is the minimum you can do right now after installing the program. You need this so that your Visual Studio settings are saved, allowing you to easily transfer them from one computer to another simply by signing into your account. I also noticed that in Visual Studio 2026, after signing into your Microsoft account, you may be prompted to use the Copilot AI for development. Decline it, since we're here to learn C++, not AI. And task 5. Place a shortcut to Visual Studio somewhere convenient for future use. I always keep this shortcut at the bottom right here. You can find it in the Start menu by searching for its name. Just don't confuse it with the Visual Studio installer. And that's the end of this lesson. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, you can support me in a few ways. Leave a like under the video, drop a comment, subscribe if you haven't already, share the channel with your friends, become a channel member if you're not one yet, to get access to all practical lessons, or send a one-time donation through the link in the description or via the YouTube thanks feature. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.